Honey Buns, and welcome back to the rabbit hole. My name's Tori, and today I'll be doing another time-lapse tutorial of how to make a Disney-inspired chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream charm. To get started, here's a list of what you'll need. First, I'm going to start by making the cone. To make the cone, mix caramel and white clay. Using a waffle mold I made in a previous video, I'm simply going to roll the mix into the mold and gently roll it into a cone shape. Next, I'm going to show you how to make the toppings in the ice cream. To make chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, you're going to need chocolate chips and cookie dough. Using a mix of chocolate and a small amount of black clay, I'm going to make the chocolate chips. Divide this mix into smaller pieces and roll the edge against your crafting mat to shape it into chocolate chips. Flatten the remaining chocolate mix, then cut circles out for the ears. Use a ballpoint tool to smooth and flatten the circles. Next, I'm going to show you all how to make the cookie dough and ice cream. Mix Sahara, white, and caramel clay to form the cookie dough mixture. For the actual ice cream, you simply need white clay and a small amount of yellow clay. You can put your ice cream mixture to the side for now and focus on the cookie dough mixture. Cut the cookie dough into even rectangles to keep the size consistent. Then roll the rectangles into tiny cylinders. Once you do that, bake all your toppings and they should look like this. I save all my extra toppings in little baggies for future projects. Back to the ice cream. First, split your ice cream mix into 2 parts. Mix your baked toppings into one of the ice cream mixtures. Once you are satisfied with the amount of toppings in your ice cream, roll it back into a ball and make sure it still fits on your ice cream cone. Next, take your needle tool and pull down the edges like so. Roll out the second part of your mix and wrap it around your ice cream. Shape it how you like. Then insert an eye pin into the center. Then use an X-Acto knife to add texture to your ice cream, and it should look something like this. Use your sharpest needle tool for the final details. Swirl the pointed end in circular motions to create an ice cream-like texture. Add the ears in last. Use TLC or additional clay to hold the ears in place. Just a little note, I added a few more details to mine and baked it again, and this is how it turned out. Lastly, you're going to want to glaze your charm. I use Sculpey Gloss Glaze. Apply your glaze in thin layers with a paintbrush. Let it dry before adding another layer. And there you have it, a Disney-inspired chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream charm. Thanks for watching! Check out my Instagram for more arts and craft projects. Until next time, friends!